This is just a quick video about using my Harbor Freight Chicago Electric 240 volt spot welder and how I use it to get in the tight areas. These are the tips that come with the Harbor Freight spot welder, and they're too wide to reach down inside the drip rails or the trunk gutter. I was able to buy these on Amazon. They're a 3/16 inch close fit, and they come from Thrasher Products. What I found to make sure that I get a good spot weld is how these tips are aligned. This upper arm swings in an arc, and the alignment is set by using two pieces of scrap metal that are the same thickness as what I'm going to be using. I set them in, close the contacts, and then you can see that the alignment, because of the width of that metal, it keeps those in line. And that flat contact makes a much better weld. You'll notice that with these tips, because that arm swings in an arc, when you close it up, only the very edge touches. There's a gap in there. So what I do is I take a file them flat, and then you get a flat contact area on the metal that you're spot welding. All I do is take a file and set it between the two posts, close it up on it, and then just very lightly file back and forth. It gets both of the tips, and then when I'm done there and you close it up, it eliminates the gap and keeps the two edges even. I'm just going to clamp inside the trunk gutter. Make sure that's tight. I'll sit that inside. Make sure it's only touching the base. And then I get a good spot weld. I'm going to do one more spot weld quick into this corner. And I've still got a gap. It's not touching anything else. And another good tight spot weld. And that's pretty much just how I use it to get this done.